Hey everyone, welcome back. Multiple reports suggest that iOS 19 will introduce a refreshed design featuring more translucent buttons, menus, and notification banners. Now, another clue points toward this glass-like aesthetic. According to Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, Apple has internally codenamed the redesigned project Solarium. A solarium is a glass enclosed space that lets in abundant sunlight, reinforcing speculation that iOS 19 will feature a transparent, layered interface similar to Vision OS on the Apple Vision Pro. John Prosser recently said at least the renders of the iOS 19's camera and messages apps on his Front Page Tech YouTube channel, showcasing a more translucent look. However, there is ongoing debate about how extensive these design changes will be. It's worth pointing out that Gurman previously hinted that iOS 19 could mark the most significant design shift since iOS 7's flat aesthetic overhaul in 2013. If true, this update could redefine the iOS experience with a pretty sleek, modern appearance. Apple's annual WWDC event kicks off on Monday, June 9, 2025. The first iOS 19 developer beta is expected to launch immediately after the keynote, with a public release slated for September. Even the WWDC 2025 logo might be a subtle nod to iOS 19's upcoming design language. So, what do you have to say about the refreshed design of iOS 19 according to these rumors?